In this video, we're going to learn about two powerful features of React: props and event handling. Let's dive in, nice and easy. First, open your project in Visual Studio Code. Head over to the source folder, and inside it, let's create a new file. Right-click New File, name it Greeting.js. In Greeting.js, write this: JSX import React from React, function greeting props, return h2 hello, props name h2, export default greeting. Props, short for properties, let us pass data to components. In this case, we're using props.name to display a name. Now go to App.js and update it like this: JSX import React from React, import greeting from /greeting. Function app, return div greeting name code with me viewer div. Export default app. Save the file and check your browser at localhost 3000. You should now see Hello React Learner, Hello Code with Me Viewer. And just like that, we used props to pass custom values to a component. Props make our components flexible and reusable. Now let's move on to event handling, responding to user actions like clicks. Inside the same source folder, create another file, ClickButton.js. Import React from React. Function ClickButton. Function handle click. Alert, you click the button. Return button on click, click me, the button. Export default click button. The handle click function runs when the button is clicked. This is called an event handler. Now open App.js and import ClickButton. JSX import ClickButton/ClickButton, and in the return block, JSX ClickButton/ save it and try clicking the button in your browser. You'll see an alert that says, you clicked the button. Nice job, you just learned how to use props to pass data into components. Use event handlers to make your app interactive. We'll use these again and again in every React project you build. If you're learning something new, hit that like button and subscribe to Code with Me. We're just getting started. See you in the next one.